As the further development of informatization, the data needs to be stored in the data center, are gradually increasing accordingly, along with the growing number of equipment in enterprise data centers and requirements of continuous 24-hour services. Any anomalous variation of a data center environment could bring about equipment failure, loss of business data, and non-recoverable results. Even potential risks. Generally, data center environment monitoring system is consisted of the monitoring for power, environment, security, fire, and networks. In the traditional environment monitoring system, 5 sub-monitoring systems above form one independent system and are managed separately, so the maintenance efficiency is low. After 13-year continuous innovation and R&D, Sunway created the 4th generation of brand-new environment monitoring products. Traditional environment monitoring system is complex. There are more fault points between hosts and sensors. Using centralized monitoring mode, traditional system is subjected to networks and servers, unable to work once networks down. Sunway environment monitoring system is simple, embedded design, sensors and monitoring hosts connected directly, fewer fault points, data stored in the hosts, able to work independently without networks. Traditional environment monitoring system lacks stability, adopting x86 plus Windows architecture, having more fault points, easy to be intruded by virus. Reliability is relatively poor. Sunway environment monitoring system has a strong stability. Adopting ARM plus Linux architecture, kernel development, and high reliability, hence can prevent virus intrusion and outside attacks. When networks down, data can be stored locally and uploaded automatically after network system backs to normal. Both monitoring hosts and platforms can alarm via SMS, voice, and phone call, then easy for the maintenance staff to troubleshoot. Traditional environment monitoring system lacks usability and tends to focus on usable only, but not user experience. Installation and operation are complicated together with high learning and training costs. Sunway environment monitoring system has a strong usability. System design complies with the user's habits. Highly centralized hosts and a simple sensors connection. Easy to be installed and operated. Learning costs for maintenance team can be cut down greatly. Meanwhile, Sunway environment monitoring system is open and compatible that can be used in combination with different brands of equipment, realizing data center integrated monitoring easily. Traditional environment monitoring system lacks security. The host consumes high energies and needs auxiliary cooling fans. Overheating of the system will result in equipment failure, loss of data, and data can hardly be recovered. Sunway environment monitoring system has a strong security and lower energy consumption. Host typical energy consumption is 3 watts only and has a long lifetime. More importantly, system uses redundant hot standby management, utilizing dual monitoring systems plus dual databases mode.